What's up everyone, welcome to ZealPlex, and in this video I'm going to go and teach you how you can go and make money from your content writing skill from your house. So this is going to be an informative video. I'm not going to go and actually show how you can go and write the content. You have to go and watch some videos and learn how you can go and understand. If you are into content writing, you must be knowing about that. But how you can go and make money from your content writing skills is going to be explained to you in this video. So for example, there is an amazing website named as iWriter. Now this is going to go and give you money while you are sitting at home and making some cash. This is going to be the best website. I would recommend it. Now what you have to do is you have to go and just log in, sign up, and so on and so forth. If you have any questions, you can go and check out FAQs. You will get to know that how you can go and buy pricing and all. You have to just go and keep on uploading your content and giving the content. First of all, before registering, you will get some content to write. They are going to go and test how good are you. Next, you have to keep on going, giving more and more content to make a client base on it. Now you have more options that how you can go and make money from iWriter, build your own client base. You have to create your own client base, earn money from like $80 to for 500 words. It all depends on how well you perform and how well you give your response to the person and how clients interact and how clients is much familiar with you. So for that you have to go and do many steps. Now I'm going to go and explain you a bit of the content writing of how you can go and do that from your house. So there are some steps you have to register and so on. You can read it, of course. Pause the video, read all of the steps, or just visit iWriter.com. Alright, so you can go and see how many people are actually writing and how many articles are there. So it's a very trusted website. You have to go and it all depends like standard. That's what I was trying to say, how well you perform, and it will give you standard, premium, elite and elite plus. Okay, read all of this and you will get to know details about iWriter. Alright, so just go and click on that. Another tip I'm going to go and give you is going to be, if you know how to write content, you know how to make a book as well. You have to go and use MS Office or some software which you use to write content. Now if you don't have any content writer, just go and open like ebook writer and just go and search for it. Ebook writer. There are many softwares available. Just go and try out what is free and what is not. Okay, I'm going to go and give that up to you. Whatever you like to choose, you can go and start writing on it. Now you have to go on Amazon and you have to just go and publish your book. Just convert it into PDF and share it on Amazon. You have to go and share your book online on Amazon and people are going to buy it. It is going to be PDF, so you don't need to go and share it physically, or you don't have to give anything. While sitting at home, you can make and earn money from uploading ebook. Alright, so just go and write like 25-page minimum, and if you can go and write more of the stories and so on, you can understand how Harry Potter was a great success. It was a book, then it became a movie. It all depends how well you write a book. So this is going to be a tip, but if you are not so good, like you can go and keep on making a book on and on, there is another option that is going to be a blogger. So you have to go and definitely make a blogger account. Now I have a ZealPlex channel. So I had written ZealPlex and now this is my ebook. I know this is stupidest blogger, but I just try to make some videos online. I was just trying to upload and so on. So I had another one. This is where I'm going to go and work on, and I'm going to post my e-commerce. Like on Amazon there is another option of affiliate marketing. I'm going to go and find where is the offer. I'm going to go and post it over here. So even I need a content writer who can just go and figure out what is the best product, which product has discount, and that I want it to be published on this website. Now nobody is there for me to create all of the e-commerce and content for me, so I have to go and manually do it by myself, so I can know how you can go and do that. So this is another one that you can go and do a blogger. Blogger is free. Just go and create your account right here right now. So you have a branding as well. If people know that you have a separate website and you are on that website may cost money, but blogger is easy and anyone can do that. So make sure to have a blogger website if you want. If you are familiar with web development, go ahead. If not, just go and use Blogger. Another option is WordPress. Both of them, you don't need any coding experience or you don't need to have any technology advice on two of them. It's basically simple. Another thing which you like, content writer, just go and search earn money from content writing. You will get like many of the websites. Just go and prefer whatever suits for you. I'm not going to go and recommend, I just recommend iWriter because I genuinely think this is the very nice website who actually pays hourly or depends on the content. Okay, so there is another one how you can go and make money. Okay, now I want to go and show you that when a website is developed, when an application is developed, we need people to hire. Like how you can go and write content. If I'm not interested to write content, I'm going to go on Fiverr and just hire anyone. Can you make content writing for me? And they are going to go and charge me $5 minimum, and depends on the quality of them, they are going to go and give you content writing in 1 or 2 days. So that's basically best thing. I can go and get someone to write my content and directly publish it. Now you know how to write content, but on what topic you have to write content and what is going to give you views? So that question is more popular. We are going to go and get some views, how people are going to actually interact with the content. So you have to go on Google Trends. Now on Google Trends you can select the country which you want, then go on, click on trending search. On the trending search you will get what is going on and what people are actually searching for. You can go and read all of these articles. You will get some ideas, read 3-4 articles, and then you can go and mix up all of this one and write it in your own words. You will get content from it. Now you have to go on real search terms. There is going to be trending, and over here you can see the graph going on ups and downs. So over snowbird Canada. So I'm just going to go and open this up. Over here on this topic I will get article. I will read all of the article, I will read and understand what is going on. And if I have a blogger website, I'm going to go and write a short description of how I think it should be there and what is going on, and I will go and figure out what are the things, how I can go and find a copyright image, how I can go and describe what is going on inside that. So this is going to be a news kind of a blog, and if you have something related to your work, you can go and start working on it. You have a website, people are having website, they are making it every day. So you can go and put that on details like I'm creating a course where you are actually learning how you can go and earn money from your home. So this is going to be a tip that how you can go and make money. And I have a content in my video, but nobody has written my content. So I can go and read my video, take the link of my video, ask me that can I go and refer your video. I will definitely give you permission for that, and you can take my video, put it in your blog. You can write the content that what is going on in the video, and you have everything available for you. So you can go and type what is going on, what are the size which I preferred, and how they can go and make money at home while being at home because of the crisis going on in 2020. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Make sure to make the use of writing your content and making some money at your home, because I know it's a very difficult time at this moment where Corona is going on. So even after you are reading it like in 2021, it doesn't matter. This video is still relevant. As long as Google is there, you can go and do this video and understand how you can go and make money from your content writing. So that's about it for this video. I hope you found this video informative and useful. Make sure to comment down below what you like and what you don't like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.